the Bosch booth, World of Concrete, and this is the new floor removal cart. Philip here is going to walk us through it.
All right, welcome everybody. So, like you said, this is our new floor removal cart. We're launching it here now live at World of Concrete. So with this, main application is floor removal, tile removal, any kind of thin set that's on concrete floor that you need to have removed. This cart works with our 11335K jackhammer. It features a 5-angle system, so you can adjust the height to 5 different angles. Also, it comes with a toolless interchange system, so if you need to change out your jackhammer, you can do it without having to use a wrench.
Can we see it?
Yeah, let's use it. So this cart really takes the weight of your body and it helps you with productivity.
Thank you.